So now that you have your contacts and loans updated into the system, you can now use the smart list functionality. It's an amazing way to filter or segregate your data into specific lists, and you can save it. And then you can do whatever you want with that list. When you log into your system, you're going to go ahead and click on your contacts, and all of your contacts are going to be loaded. Now, I have this blurred out because I don't want to share any personal information, but you can see my smart list. So once you're on your contacts here, you can see your smart list, and you can edit your smart list by going over here to manage smart lists. You could delete your smart list. You could give specific control to the smart list. So let's say here's all your contacts. Let's say you want to edit this smart list. You can edit the name, or if you want to edit the permissions of the smart list, you can say, hey, I want to give this list specifically to any type of user. So once you created multiple users in the system, you can create a smart list. Maybe it's your past client database, and you want to assign all of those contacts to that particular employee so that they can follow up with that list. Let's say you have a list of new leads. You can segregate that data as well. Anyways, this is where you can edit the permissions of that list, and then you can also delete the list. You can play around with it. So I'm going to go back to one of these lists. So this is all of the contacts. You can see my smart list. I have all contacts, my August leads. I have a rate watch campaign, contacts that are making offers. I have my closed loans for all of last year. Once you have the list, then you could filter the information that's on the list. You can actually filter the columns. You can filter these columns. So if you want to filter the columns, there's a button here that says columns. And here is where you're going to filter all of those columns. So you can add or take away. Let's say I want to add the address of that particular customer. Well, now it just added the address. If I want to take the address away, I'm going to uncheck that. Once you're done with that, you always want to go here to more filters, and you want to click save. You can save here, or you can save as a brand new list. Now, if you want to create a brand new list, then you're going to go to all your contacts here. I'm not going to save that. Go to all your contacts, and then you go here to more filters. And here is where you can filter any kind of data that you have in the system. Let's say you want to see interest rate. So you would then search interest rate, find the current interest rate field, and then you can say is greater than 5%, apply. Now you have a list of everyone that has an interest rate of greater than 5%. Once you have the list the way you want it, you can now check all of these contacts if you wanted. Now you could tag them. You could send them all a text message. You could put them into a specific automation that you built out. The possibilities are endless. So if you want to send a text, I'm going to show you this real quick. I'm going to click proceed. The cool thing about this is you could either send them all at once, it could send them at a scheduled time, or you could drip these contacts. In other words, let's say you have a list of 300 people and you don't want to blast 300 people all at once. You could drip 5 at a time. So this is super awesome. Maybe you want to contact all of your past clients and let them know about some kind of special, or maybe you're looking to get reviews from each one of your past clients. Well, you could drip just 5 customers a day on a text and an email campaign to get a 5-star review. So it's super, super powerful system that allows you to do one-to-many for your database. One other thing I did want to show you is, let's say you have duplicate contacts in here. Well, you can, let's say these were 2 duplicates. You could click on both of these and then click this little button right here. And then you could pick which one you wanted to, which field was correct in here. And that would merge the contact into one contact if you have duplicates. So that's SmartList, super powerful. If there was one thing that is my favorite about the system, this would be the very top, using the SmartList functionality. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.